Pwede tulungan mo akong i-translate ang salitang ito into English, Andres?
Matalino.
Pupunta ako ng school mamaya para ipasa ang aking assignment.
Matutunan tayo.
I'm gonna go to school later so I can pass my assignment.
Wow! Palagpakan naman dyan! Woo! Thank you so much, Andres. Shake hands. Yeah. Keep shining and like you always do and continue your study, okay? Good. All right. Okay.
Andres,
Dahil dyan, Andres, receive your award. Bigyan ng mango. Wow! Wow! Yan, nagpaturo ng English translator sa isang bata na pangalan si Andres. Ang talino po niya. Andres, can you translate nga sasama ka sa akin mamaya magbinta ng mango? Can you translate in English?
Andres, are you gonna come with me later to sell mangoes?
Wow! Walang palakpakan naman dyan. Okay. Next question, Andres.
Andres,
Dahil dyan, Andres, receive your award. Bigyan ng mango.